Okay, so what I'm about to work on is she wants the blessed grandma. She needs to name Seth and Joshua in the background. Since we only have two names, we're going to just go back and forth. Seth and Seth, Joshua, and then we're just going to put it all in different fonts and stack it in the back. So I'm going to do it in Photoshop because it's easier. And so I'm just going to write Seth, Joshua, and I'm just going to do this and make a big long line that's guaranteed to fill my text up. So let's see what color that was in the other picture. It's probably black. We're gonna go with black. Maybe a dark brown. So let's change it up just a little bit. Maybe that color. Yeah, we're gonna do that color. Okay, so now that we have that, we are going to copy it, click on there. We're gonna change the font. I'm just trying to do this real quick. So that's another print font. Let's try to get a script font. Copy that layer again. Let's do, this one's different. So we're gonna line that up right there. And we're gonna click on this layer, line it up. And I actually think I want a little bit of spacing between these. So I want to fill in the top part of the circle up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do up all the way. Let's do this one right. Sorry, I grabbed the wrong layer. I'm going to do that. And so now it'll give us a guideline so we'll know we have 0.28 inches between our text, it looks like. So let's go here, create new layer, pick a different font. Just keep it at 0.28 inches, and we're just going to keep doing this. You can use shortcuts. I'm trying to show you the actual way to do it. You can't see shortcuts, so so anytime you're doing the names in the multi-black background, once you have a good collection of fonts, go ahead and repeat it over. So I'm going to get probably 2 more lines of font in here. And then I'm going to just merge these all together and copy and paste that and do that the rest of the way down. So let's get another script in here. Let's do this one. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay. Once you're here, go through real quick. Make sure you don't have a bunch of Seths in a row. Like right here, I have all these Seths in a row. So we're going to go to our last layer and we're just going to scoot it over a little bit. Cool. We might. There we go. Alright, and now I'm just going to merge all this together. I'm going to make it into a graphic. We're going to merge. So rasterize layer and then merge, and then I'm now just going to copy this layer and I'm going to pull it down here and make sure to not line it up. I want it up a little higher. We're going to do that again till we have the entire backside filled. Okay, from there, I'm going to merge and rasterize all this together. And then I'm going to get my select tool. I'm going to start up here in the square. I'm going to go all the way down till I am selecting my whole backdrop. I'm going to go to select inverse, and then I'm going to delete. So now we have nothing but these names. I'm going to change the opacity to make those a little lighter. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change it to black. And we're going to type blessed grandma. And it looks like that was in a script if I remember. So let's find a script that it looks like. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna lower the spacing in between the words here. So I'm gonna select this, and over here where it's auto, I'm going to take it off of auto and I'm going to actually put in the point size that I want in between. So let's see how close that is. See, that's not close at all. I don't know if I know what font that is, and I don't know if I have it. So, and I cannot use the font that I'm currently on because it's not, the copyright on this font is not completely free. We're just gonna do this, and if she wants something else, she can go find it. Okay, so now we're gonna get this. We're gonna make sure it's aligned in the middle. And we already have our circle made, so we are done. Now we're just gonna go save it as a ping file out of habit. I just delete these after I post them, so there you go. So now we have the image requested, and we're gonna go share it.